Dow Jones reporting Facebook discussing changes to its political ad policy.
Oh?
Pete spotting some unusual activity in that stock. Why don't you tell us about that?
Yeah, Scott, real quick, we're going to touch on this. Now, we've got an option that's only a couple weeks out. The December 6th expiring calls are being bought. Stock's trading right about where it was, right around 198, call it. This is almost exactly. And they were buying about 4,000 of these, paying about $1.25 for these options. They're basically playing for a breakout to the upside in a very short period of time. We've seen Facebook make huge moves, both up and down. I like this one, so I jumped on it. I own some of these calls as well. I'll be in those for a couple of weeks. I got a second one for you as well, Foot Locker. Now, we've talked about Nike and all these various other. Take a look at Foot Locker. Stock was trading right at 42, so it's a little bit higher than it is right now. But the January 50 calls were getting aggressively bought. You can see where this stock was coming from. So they started buying about 4,000 of these as well. So pretty good buying there. I like it. Gives me a little bit of time. It's going out to January. So I like these calls. They're trading for about 95 cents. I'm in both these names. This one I'm probably hold for about a month and a half or so.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Nike has had a pretty good year.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Foot Locker has not.
Right.
Why?
Well, I think it's a combination of what is Nike doing, and we all know about direct, DTC, all the different things that they're doing. But Foot Locker's a little bit of a different animal, bricks and mortar, and they don't have as good of exposure, I don't think. Nike's doing really well on the online part. That's what everybody wants to focus on as well. They've done an outstanding job there. So because of that, I think they got a little bit of an advantage right now over Foot Locker.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Thank you for answering that question. Doc, what do you got for me?
All right, Scott, take a look at this one. It's in the logistics and air transport space. ATSG is the symbol, and the stock's up almost 4% today. What are they doing? Right now, they're buying January 25 calls. Pretty big numbers. I'd say about 4,400 were purchased for right around 90 cents, Scott. I bought these because it's out in January. I'm going to say I'll be in them about 6 weeks. Second trade real quick. This one's a put trade, and it's GRUBHUB. You remember we talked about unusual activity in this, as well as alternative data suggesting that they weren't going to do so well. Now we've got people on a rally in the stock. They're buying the 39 puts that expire next week. So this is a very short-term play. They bought these puts for about 40 cents. I bought some just in case it goes down again. Remember, it bottomed at about 32 bucks about a month ago. So is it going to make another whoosh downward? That's what somebody's betting. I'll be in these 1 week.
Okay, good stuff.